Okay. So first question we all have completed, page number N61. First question we all have completed. Anyone have doubt? Okay.
No, sir.
So see here, read the second question. Identify the perfect cubes among the following. We have to identify the perfect cubes. Find the number whose cube is the given number in each case of the perfect cube. So two things we have to do. First, we have to identify whether the particular number is a perfect cube or not. If it is a perfect cube, then we have to find that whose perfect cube it is. Okay. If it is not a perfect cube, we don't have to find. Okay. So first is 128. So how we are going to do this? Anyone, any suggestion, any idea? 128 is the number given. How to find whether it's a perfect cube or not? How to find? How we did in squares? How we did in squares? We factorize it? Yes or no? We go with the factorization. Okay, factorize this.
Yes, sir.
Everyone factorize this one. 128. 128. Okay, this side we do. 128. So with 2, 64.
64.
Again with 2, 32.
32.
Again with 2, 16. 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1. This we are getting. So we can expand 128 as 2 how many times? 1, 2,
2
3,
cube
4, 5, 6, 7.
into 2 cube.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3, 6, 7. Okay. We have to find whether it's a perfect cube of some number or not. Okay. Perfect cube means we can form triplets. Okay. In square, what we did. Okay. For example, it is given 32. Whether it's a perfect square, how we did? 2, 16, 2, 8, 4, 2, 2, 2, 1. So 32 equal to how much? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. Then we form the pairs. Yes or no? If there is a single, it means it's not a perfect square. It's not a perfect square. Okay. One more question I ask you. By what number 32 should be multiplied to make it a perfect square?
2.
2. It means we have to multiply with 2. It means into 2 into 2. We'll make it a perfect cube because we'll get the pair. Okay. So it will be 64. That will be perfect cube square. Okay. By what number it should be divided to make it a perfect square?
2.
2. That
2.
means you have to remove this one and 16. That will be the answer. Okay. Now come to cubes. Okay. So this time we have to form triplets. In squares we form pairs. This time we have to form triplets. One triplet. Okay. Second triplet. Now what about this two? Is it a perfect cube?
No, sir.
It's not a perfect cube. Okay, for example, I have to make this perfect cube. By what it should be multiplied? Think and answer. Think and answer. If I have to make this a perfect cube, by what we should multiply? By what we should multiply?
2 into 2.
2 into 2. Because we have to form triplets. It means by what we have to multiply? 2 into 2. By 4 we have to multiply. So that triplet of this as well. And we can take that number as
So your voice is not
perfect. Okay.
clear.
Other
Your
question?
voice is not clear.
Voice is not clear. Okay,
Sir,
1
your
minute.
voice is not clear.
Yes, just a second. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, okay. Now the question is, by what number it should be divided to make it a perfect cube?
4.
Think and answer. By 2, we have to remove this 2. Okay? Understood now? To make it a perfect cube, by what number it should be multiplied? It means we need triplet here. Okay? And 2, by what it should be divided? It means we have to remove this one, whatever is there. Okay? We need only triplets. Okay? Clear? Okay? So first one is not a perfect cube. We can't find the cube. Okay? Do the next one, 243. Do everyone 243? 243. Is it divisible by 3?
Yes, sir.
Okay, factorize this one. 3,
81. 81.
3,
21.
21, 27. 3, 9,
9.
3, 3, 3, 3, 1. This you are getting? Okay. Now form the triplets. Okay. Is it a perfect cube?
No.
It's not a perfect cube because these three do not exist in
Yes,
triplets.
sir.
They do not exist in triplets. Okay. Okay. Now again, I can ask you a question. If I have to make it a perfect cube, by what number it should be multiplied?
Into
3.
2.
By 3.
By 3 we have to
Three.
multiply. By 3 and triplet will be formed. Okay. By what number it should be divided to make it a perfect cube?
9.
9.
Nine.
These we have to remove. That means you have to remove, divide by 9. Understood this one? Okay. Do next one. 343. 343. 343. 343.
7.
7. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. Even numbers it won't go. Odd numbers you can check. 3, sum is not there. Not go. 5, we don't have the last digit. Check with 7. Okay. So 7, how much here will come? 40. 49. 7, 7, 7.
7. 7. 1.
7. Okay, this equal to 7 into 7 into 7. Okay. It means, is it a perfect cube?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So we can
Yes,
write it
sir.
like this. 343 equal to 7 cube. So whose perfect cube is it? Whose perfect cube is it?
7.
7. Okay. It means we are taking cube root of 343. It is how much? 7. It's a perfect cube. And whose root? Whose cube? 7's cube. Okay. Do the next one. 4,000. By seeing the number, you can see as well. You can get. See here 4,000 as well. You can play a little smart as well. 4,000. You can write it like this. 4 into 1,000. Yes or no? 1,000 it's a cube of 10 into 10 into 10. Yes or no? 4 we can write like this. 2 into 2 into 10 into 10
10
into
into
10.
10 into 10.
This triplet is there, but so 4,000 is a cube or not? Perfect cube or not?
No, sir.
It's not a perfect cube. Okay. If we have to make it a perfect cube, by what number it should be multiplied?
Sir,
By
2.
and by what it should be divided to make it perfect cube? By 4.
By 4.
By 4. This is not asking question. We are just revising these all things. Okay. Okay. Next one. 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. Nice number. Three, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Keep dividing this one. Keep dividing. Okay, keep finding the factors. 3, 4, 5, 6. Start with 2. Start calculating. 1, 7, 8. Keep dividing. Again 2, 2, 8 just 16, 6, 4. Keep dividing and find the factors. Everyone keep dividing and finding the factors. Keep finding the factors. Two, 2 to the 4, 1, 6, 2, 1, 0, 8. Yes, pay attention here. 2, 1, 6. When you divide, it is 108, not 18. Few students will be writing 18 here. 2, 1, 6 divided by 2. 2, 1, 2. Okay. 1, it is less, put 0. 16, 8. Okay. 2, 54. 2,
27.
27. 3, how much? 3. These you are getting. So it is how many twos? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6, 7. How many threes? Okay, into no space here. Into 3. It's triplet. It's triplet. It's not triplet. Yes or no? You can write like this also. Into 2. It's single. You can represent it this way or this way as well. So is it a perfect cube?
No, sir.
Okay. How to make it a perfect cube?
Sir, by multiplying it by 2 square.
2 square. That is 2 into 2. Okay. And by what it should be divided? By 2. Then we get the resultant number as perfect cube. Okay. This you all have understood? Okay. 2197. 2197. Two one nine seven.
Sir, you laughed.
2048. 2048 this did. Okay. Do it 2048. Two zero four eight. Okay, calculate and tell me the factors. 2048. 1024. See here, it is nice series. Do you remember something? If I add GB here, how many TBs it will be? 2 TB. Keep dividing. 2 1024. 2 512. 2 256. 2 128. 2 64. 2 32. 2 16. 2 8. 2 4. 2 2. 2 1. 2 TB, 1 GB, half GB, 1/4 GB, 1/8 GB. Yes or no? Okay, how many twos? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, 11 times you can write 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 3, 6, 9, 10, 11. Okay, grouping 3, 3. This and this. Okay, as well you can see it is 2 raised to power 11. It can be 2 raised to power 3, 2 raised to power 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 9, 2 raised to power 2. 2 raised to power 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2, total 11. Okay. So because of this, it's a perfect cube or not? Is it a perfect cube?
Sure.
It's not a perfect cube because 2 does not exist in triplet. 2 does not exist in triplet. Okay. 2197. And the okay, factorize this one. 2197. 2197. Okay. Odd is there, so no even number factors, no even number will be the factor. Okay, forget about even number. No 5 will be factor of this one. 3, 10, 19. So 3 won't be factor. So no even numbers, no 5. Okay, 3, 9, they won't be factor. 3 is not there, 9 won't be there. Okay, so check the numbers. 7, is it divisible by 7?
No, sir.
No, it's not divisible. Okay, 7 3 21, 2, no. 7, then 11.
13.
Okay, 11 is divisible. 2 plus 9, 11, 8. Again, difference not here. Okay, check with 13 now. Check with 13.
Yes, sir, it is divisible by 13.
13,
Yes, sir.
13, 1.
13 13 ja 169.
Okay. So 2197. We can write 13 into 13 into 13. It is 13 cube. Okay. So is it a perfect cube? 2197.
Yes, sir.
It's a perfect
Yes,
cube.
sir.
And whose cube is it? Whose cube is
13.
it? 13.
13.
13. Have you understood this one? Have you all understood? Okay. Do the next one. Next one is very easy. Do that. Do the next one. How many zeros after 1?
Sir, 6 zeros.
6 zeros are there. Okay. Okay. So can you tell without looking whose perfect cube is it?
Yes, sir. 100.
100. You can
Yes,
see
sir.
6
100
zeros
cube.
are there. 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. It is 10 cube into 10 cube or 100 cube. Yes or no? You can factorize further 2, 2, 2,
Yes.
5, 5, 5. Okay. 10 is power 6 or 100. So it's a cube root of, it's a cube of 100. It's a cube of 100. Okay. 2744. 2744. 2744. It is divisible by 2744. With 2 you can start. 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6, 2 7 ja 14, and 2. Again 2, 2 6 ja 12, 2 8 ja 16, 6. Again 2, 3 4 3 4 3. Now, if you remember 3 4 3,
Yes, sir.
it's a cube of 7. 7,
Sir,
49,
7.
7. Okay. So 2 7 4 4. 2 cube into 7 cube. Okay.
14 cube.
You can write it like this: 2 into 7 cube, 14 cube. Since power are same, we can multiply the bases here. 14 cube. So it's a cube of 14. Clear to
14.
all? Second question is clear. Anyone have doubt? Okay. Third question do. Which of the following are cubes of even number and which are of odd numbers? Okay. That you have to look and answer only. These are cubes. Now you have to tell which are of the even number, which are of the odd number. Okay, you can see as well. What is the cube of 2?
8.
8. Cube of 3?
27.
9.
9 into 4 cube? 16 into 4? 4,
64.
64. 5 cube.
125.
125.
So can you see something? If number is even, their cube is even. Number is odd, their cube is odd. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If number
Yes.
is odd, their cube will be odd. If number is even, the cube will be even. Okay. What about squares? 2 square, 4. 3
Four.
square, 9.
9.
4 square, 16.
16.
5 square, 25. So
25.
square of even number is a square of
Even.
even number is a even.
Even
Square
number.
of a odd number is
Odd number.
odd. Same with the cube. Okay. So you can tell me 8,000. It is even number. So it's a cube of
Yes, sir.
Even.
even number. 9261.
Sir, odd.
Odd
It's
number.
a cube of odd number. 4096.
Even.
Even.
It's a cube of even number. Okay. So third question you can do as homework.
Yes, sir.
Just
Yes,
odd
sir.
even odd even. Okay. Okay. Now we start finding the cube roots. Okay. How to find the cube roots? That is by factorization. By prime factorization you have to find. Okay. So in cubes, what we do? We multiply the number by itself twice. That is, number repeats 3 times. Yes. Okay. Now, for example, we have to find cube root of 512. It means first we will factorize 512. We are going to factorize 512. How much it will be 512?
8.
2, 256, 2, 128, 2, how much?
64.
64, 2,
32.
2, 2,
16.
2,
8.
8, 4,
4. 2.
1. 3,
One.
6, how much it is? 3,
8.
6, 8 or 9? Check it
Sir,
once,
9.
8 or 9. 2
Nine.
raised to power 10 is 1024. It is 9. Okay. 2 raised to power 10 is 1024. That is 1 GB. Or if it is MB, that will be 1 GB. Okay. This mainly this is used in computers. Okay. So it is how much? Okay. Let me type this. 9 times you have to write. Okay. So here I'll be telling you 2 or 3 methods. Okay. This is our basic. Okay. So we have got the 9 numbers. Okay. Form the triplets. In square we form pairs, and this time we'll be forming triplets. Okay. Since all the same factors are in triplet, yes or no? All the 2, all the 2, all the 2. Same triplets are in bracket. All the factors are in triplets. Therefore, this is a perfect cube, yes or no? And next we have to find cube root. So how to write? Cube root of 512. So from each triplet we'll be taking 1. If we write cube root here, we have to write cube root here. From this 2 we have taken, from this 2 we have taken, from this we have taken 2. How much it is? 8. It is 8. Is this clear? So cube root of 512 equal to 8. You
8.
can do the same question like this also. 512 equal to 2 raised to power 8 you have got, 9 you have got. Okay. It can be written as 2 raised to power 3 into 2 raised to power 3 into 2 raised to power 3. Okay. Either you can write like this. Same here. After this, you can write this, or you can simply write this. Okay. This you have written. So cube root you have to take now. Cube root. Cube root. So from each you will take 1 out. Okay. See here. Okay. Few more basics we'll discuss with this one. Okay. Cube root of this. We can write like this also. Cube root of 2 raised to power 3 into cube root of 2 raised to power 3 into cube root of 2 raised to power 3. See here, same powers, 3 and then cube root. It means 2, 2, 2. it is 8. Understood this one? So always remember, if it is written like this, a raised to power, okay, 1 minute, a raised to power m, a, b, c, d we do, okay, a, b, c, d, and cube root, okay. So it can be written as cube root of a, cube root of b, divided by cube root of c, cube root of d, okay, here multiplication sign. Understood? This you already studied. A, B, C, D, whole raised to power m. We can write it like this: A raised to power m, B raised to power m, C raised to power m, D raised to power m. Or if it is raised to power 1 by m, we can write A raised to power 1 by m, B raised to power 1 by m, C raised to power 1 by m, D raised to 1 by m. This is clear to all? This all we have studied. Yes or no? Yes or no? We all have studied. So you can use any method. The very basic, you can use this method. If you want, you can use this method. Okay, it's up to you. Or you can simply take one out here. Direct from here, 2. Direct from here, 2. Direct from here. You can skip this step as well. But just to tell you that we can write this as well, like this as well. Okay, we can write this expression as this as well. Okay, clear to all? Okay, do the next one. This is the most basic method we usually do. Okay, do the next one. Two, 7, 4, 4. Okay, this number we have done, I think, somewhere. Yes, okay, last time we did. 2, 7, 4, 4. Factorize this one and tell me as well. How many 2s, how many 7s are there? Tell me. 2, 7, 4, 4. Cube root of this you have to find. Yes. So first, 2, 7, 4, 4. How many 2s are there?
3.
3 2s are there.
4.
Okay, 2 into 2 into 2. 3 2s are there.
And sir, 3 7.
And 3 7s. Okay. So same factors will form the triplets. Okay. Now see here. If you are writing here like this and this way, this is wrong. This is wrong. If you are taking cube root this side, you have to put cube root this side as well. Okay. Okay. 2 7 4 4 cube root. Okay. So from each we will take 1, 2 into 7. How much it is? 14. So its cube root is how much? 14. Okay.
14.
Okay. Do the next one. 7 to 9. Do the next one. 7 to 9.
Sir, your voice is not clear.
Not clear again. Okay. You keep doing the question. I'll connect. So whenever the voice is not clear, just tell me. Okay. Is it clear this time?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do the next one. 729. Do the next one, everyone. 729. Factorize 729. And how many 3s you are getting? Six 3s. Okay. So 729 can be written as 3, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. One triplet, second triplet of the same factors. Okay. So cube root of 729. 3 from first triplet, 3 from next triplet. 9. Okay. Clear to all? Okay. Do the next one. 1728. Cube root of 1728. how many 2s, how many 3s? Everyone calculate and tell me factorization how much, how many 2s, how many 3s you get. Everyone keep doing the question. Seven two eight 864 432. You keep dividing on
6, 2, 3,
6 2s. And how many 3s?
3.
3. Okay. This you are going to get from the triplets of the same factors. Okay. So next step we can write cube root of 1728. Always see I'm writing cube root here. 3 and then here. Like this you have to write. Okay. So from each triplet we'll take one out, one factor out.
2 into 2 into
2 into 3. How much it is?
12.
12. 12. Okay. Do the next one. Cube root of 1000. That you can tell easily.
That
10 into 10 into 10. So cube root of 10. Okay. That you can also tell by seeing the question. Yes. 10. Okay. Do the next one. There's one trick here. Next one. I have told you earlier. Minus 8. And one must pay attention to this one. Minus 8,000. Minus 8,000 and its cube root. So what should we get rid of first? Minus sign? Yes or no? So can we write it like this? Minus cube root of 8,000. Okay. Now what we can do? Minus cube root of 8 into 1,000. Yes or no? Okay. This is equal to minus cube root of 8 into cube root of.
The voice is not
This
clear.
is not clear.
Sir, your voice is not clear.
Clear now?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Not yet. Okay, let me mute and do.
Now, sir, is clear. It is
Yes, sir.
clear.
Now it's clear. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that may be problem with this software or maybe with Bluetooth. I don't know. This time I muted it and unmuted. Okay, minus. Can we represent it like this? We can take separately the cube roots. Yes or no? What will be the cube root of this one? Minus cube root of 8. 2 into 2 into 2. 2. What is the cube root of 1000?
10.
10.
How much it is?
Minus
Minus 1. Or else you can go with the basic. Minus you take out 8,000, you factorize. And then from the pair, take the common out, then take the one from each triplet, not pair. Okay. Is this clear? Have you all understood?
Yes,
Have you all
sir.
understood? Okay. So we stop here. Okay. Do 7th question as homework. Only 7th. Okay. Minus 4096. Minus sign will take outside and solve that one. Okay. 8th will start tomorrow. Okay. From 8th will start tomorrow. Okay. Thank you all. Do study a little each day.
Thank you
Keep
so
your
much.
work up to date. Okay. Each day do a little and you'll be free. Enjoy your life. Okay. If you don't do work each day, you'll
Thank
be
you,
in
sir.
trouble. Thank you. Okay. Thank you.